During this section, we will go through some services that is very important during penetration testing. So we'll see how to run those services and manage them from Kali Linux. The first service that I'm going to start with is the SSH, or the secure shell. This service will allow to connect to the Kali Linux machine remotely through port 22. So it's a service that allows remote connection, similar to the telnet and the remote desktop in Windows. So when you allow that in Kali Linux, you will be able to accept connection on port 22, but the difference between the telnet and the SSH, that telnet is not encrypted. SSH is secure, it's encrypted. So how can I run this service? Because by default is not running. Just by typing service service SSH start. And since I didn't get any errors, that means the SSH service started. How can I check? Actually, we have a command here. It's called netstate. And netstate will show all the service running on this machine and on which port is running and everything, except the list is too big. So instead of searching, I can use netstate -ANTP, and then we can put the sign. And this sign actually is quite important in Linux. You're going to use that frequently. This is called piping. I mean, whatever output you are getting from netstate, could you please redirect them to another command, which is grep. Grep, it's a searching command in Linux. So I'm telling him netstate, and the output, I want you to search for this word, SSHD. And what will happen is, instead of showing all the command, he will search for this word, because grep is a searching command in Linux, for this word inside the output, and he will get me only the result that has SSHD. And as you can see, it's showing me that the port now is open on your machine, except is listening. No one is connected. It's I open a port 22 for an SSH service, and the port is opening, but no one is connected to it. So this is how we can run the service. How can I stop it? Use the logic in Linux. I mean, how did I start in the first place? I use service SSH start. If so, definitely to stop the service will be service SSH stop. And how can I verify? Same command. So now, as you can see, the service is not running anymore. So SSH, it's a remote connection service. It allows to accept remote connection on this Kali machine, but remote encrypted connection on port 22, and this is how to start it and stop it.